Assalamualaikum and good morning to our lecturer and my fellow friends. Before I begin, let me introduce myself and my group members. My name is Haniza Binti along with Aiman Hisyam bin Saiful Bahri and Aqilah Binti Khaharudin. We are from Group 5 of BNB 41103. And in this video, we will present and explain about the smart building of Mitsui Outlet Park KLIA SEPANG. First of all, let me introduce for our executive summary. The smart building we chose for this project is Mitsui Outlet Park KLIA SEPANG. This type of building is a retail building. In this project, we explain the purpose of this building, sketching the segregation of road and parking using RFID system for disabled convenience, use disabled-friendly lift, while building management system, use building automation system that is BAS for fire alarm system like smoke control. Each of segregation will describe the rationalization of the reserve that have been allocated. In addition, in this project also explain about the justification of election of each suggestion given must have implication and conclusion. Mitsui Outlet Park KLIA SEPANG is a factory outlet shopping mall located 60 km from KL and 6 km from KLIA and KLIA 2.
My name is Aqilah Binti Khaharudin and my matrix number is CN190080. For the main purpose of this study is to improving internal building services system based on predefined elements. And for the method is to display the design, installation and location of equipment in advanced services system and integrate the needs and limitation of advanced building services system. Based on the accuracy of the proposal that will be taken is in achieving or based on the concept of IR 4.0.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will discuss about our idea suggestion to improve building service systems such as roads and car parks, disabilities facilities and building management system based on IR4 for this retail building, Mitsui Outlet Park. Firstly, the implementation of a new technology of RFID system for retail buildings car parks. This is the bubble flow diagram by using RFID system that must implement for this retail building. So how it works? Once a car has entered the parking space, there was a sensor at the entrance to the parking lot to monitor the vehicles with the disabled stickers or without the disabled stickers. Each driver would have an RFID tag attached to their disabled stickers. Uses microwave frequency RFID technology that can work on 2.45 GHz, which is even faster than UHF tags and has a good rate. Okay, next is Destination Dispatching System (DDS) for elevator. In conventional call system, users push up the push up and down buttons to initiate the call, which is answered by elevators. When a large number of people congregate in the shopping mall lobby area or crowded in the shopping mall area, numerously buttons are pushed, resulting in numerous elevator stops, lightening travel and waiting time. So the system analyzes the passenger input data in real time and efficiently groups their destinations, reducing the number of stops on each elevator trip. And then after a passenger enters a destination using keypad or touch screen on a smartphone or whatever device, destination operation panel or what is called DOP, which is typically located strategically in the lobby. So the system quickly signals and directs them to their assigned elevator to the destination level, thereby optimizing the passenger flow and conserving energy. So this DDS system integrate with RFID technology. Okay, the last one is the integrating fire alarm system, smoke control with building automation and control systems. So there are numerical critical reasons to integrate fire alarm system and building automation system. Standardized communication protocol is a critical component of the infrastructure that enables this integration. So, such as BACnet is an example of such protocol. A device which is represented by a set of network visible objects that are appropriate for its purpose. Once the data and functionality of the device are represented on the network using standard object and attributes, message can establish to access and change this data in a consistent manner. So the system will lead the ability to mute alerts, reset alarms, and execute other system-related actions. Okay, hence for reserve rationalization, the integration of sensor and data technology provides visibility into the processes and activities taking place in the buildings, aids in optimization of troubleshooting and maintenance, and aids in development of safe and healthy routines. So like the Internet of Things, IoT, so the security application improve the safety and dependability of system and spaces in the buildings, as well as the overall security of surrounding area. So the data technology is essentially for the collection and analysis of all data collected by independent sensors, trackers, and all the smart things. So without the data technology, all data collected by independent sensors, trackers, and smart things would be useless unless it was used to interpret the data, provide insight to management, and enable the automation. So there are solutions for data acquisition, processing, cleansing, cloud storage, and analytical, as well as solution for visualization in this new technology of building technology for new revolution in industry.
Based on the previous subtopics, we have explained the proposed improvements made in the sketch section of the proposal as well as the rationalization of the proposal. Therefore, this section will describe the definition and operation of each proposal made. The operation of RFID in the road and car park is when the data is used to focus on managing the check-in and check-out of vehicle. In this method, all vehicle data is recorded in the database and the users are given the appropriate tags and tag IDs, allowing the system to retrieve all the data. The reader will read the data from the tag when the vehicle checks in. If the vehicle does not have a tag, the obstacle will stay in place. The reader now will read all the details on the tag and send it to the program. Now the program compares the detail of the tag with the database, and if the tag's ID corresponds, the barrier gate will open. If the ID does not match, the barrier will not open or an alarm will be triggered. As for the next suggestion is disabled leave access for facilities disabled people. Basically, it has certain rules that all parties have to follow. The rules include giving priority to the elderly and pregnant women. The main reason of this idea is because what happened recently, the selfish attitude of some parties became the talk of netizens when people with disabilities who lined up in the back wanted to take the elevator without getting the right they deserve. For the last suggestion is building automation system in fire alarm system in building management system. Smoke control systems are an excellent example of how building mechanical system and fire alarm system may work together. While lifts are being considered, fans are starting or stopping, dampers are opening or closing, and doors may be closing or unlocking. Even though both of the bus and the fire alarm system have distinct jobs to complete, there is a level of priority and sequence that must be followed. Inability to implement the right priority or sequence may result in breakdowns or risk to human life, in addition to being non-code compliant. For example, If a smoke control fan runs before the dampers operate, the pipework may be broken or the door opening force could to be high for egress.
The implication. The lifetime of an RFID tag can last for 20 years or more under normal settings, and the average of lifespan of an elevator is 20 to 30 years, but can boost that lifespan to 50 years or more. And for the BAS, had a fixed lifespan of 10 years or less due to the factors. Next is advantage and disadvantage. For the road and car parks using RFID system, the advantage is efficiency. Multiple things can be scanned at the same time. Durability can withstand exposure to the sun and rain, and RFID has a higher level of security than barcode. For the disadvantage, signals are sometimes not as accurate. RFID readers can cost up to 10 times as much, and implementation can be challenging and time-consuming. For the disability facilities using the disabled-friendly lift, the advantage is can provide the comfort through a platform or a single mechanism attached to the corner of the stairway, and they feel secure and safe, and it naturally rises when disabled people are able to move around freely, and allowing them to operate faster even with the additional weight of a wheelchair on top of a person village. For the disadvantage, installation is time-consuming and costly. It takes up a lot of space for each individual with disable access, and if the elevator shaft has been broken by fire, anyone trapped inside the lift is at risk of enormous heat and smoke exposure. Next is breathing management system, breathing automation system, that is BAS. For fire alarm system is smoke control. The advantage is lower energy expenses, increased security, increased productivity. For the disadvantage, the system installation is costly. Some human and social relationships at work have been neglected, and work has become increasingly robotic, and working with systems that are complex and difficult to understand.
Overall, through case study conducted, researchers found the importance of implementing IR 4.0 concept in building services system, which is Industry 4.0 technology aids in the management and optimization of elements of all the production and supply chain activities. It gives access to the real-time data and insight needed to make better, faster business choices, which may help the entire operation run more efficiently and profitably. In addition, through this case study, the researcher also gained knowledge about the existing IR 4.0 technology and opened our eyes to find out more. That's all from us. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.